Did you know that most people trying to grow fruit at home are actually wasting money and time? They go to the nursery, they buy a fruit tree for $50, $80, sometimes even $120. Then they spend an entire weekend digging a huge hole in their yard. They water it, they fertilize it, and then they wait. 1 year passes, 2 years pass, 3 years pass, and they're still waiting for their first piece of fruit. Meanwhile, that tree is taking up 400 square feet of yard space. But here's the secret most gardeners don't know. You don't need a big yard to grow a productive orchard. In fact, some fruit trees actually produce better in containers than they do in the ground. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful method used by small farmers and restaurants. It's called the bucket orchard method. Instead of planting huge trees in the ground, you grow compact, high-yield fruit trees in simple food-grade 5-gallon buckets. You can grow them on a patio, on a balcony, in a tiny backyard, even on an apartment rooftop. And some of these trees can produce dozens or even hundreds of fruits every year. We're going to cover 7 amazing fruit trees that thrive in containers. And make sure you stay until the end, because our number 1 tree uses a special banana propagation trick that can give you free plants every year. This is Harvest Forever, where we grow smarter, not harder. And if you want to grow your own food and save money doing it, hit that subscribe button right now. Also, comment below, what is the last plant you accidentally killed? Don't worry, after today, your gardening luck is about to change. Part 1. The Restaurant Bucket Secret. Before we talk about the fruit trees themselves, we need to talk about the secret container that makes this whole system work. The humble 5-gallon bucket. Restaurants and bakeries receive ingredients like frosting, pickles, and sauces in these large food-grade plastic buckets. And once the ingredients are gone, they usually throw the buckets away, which means you can often get them for free. Walk into a local bakery or donut shop and politely ask, "Do you have any empty food-grade buckets you're throwing away?" Most places will happily give them to you. These buckets are incredibly durable, lightweight, and perfect for container gardening. But there is one crucial modification. You must add drainage holes. Part 2. Bucket Preparation. Container plants don't die from drought as often as people think. They die from drowning. When water sits at the bottom of a container, it suffocates the roots. So take a drill and create 5 to 6 half-inch holes in the bottom of each bucket. This allows excess water to escape quickly. Next comes the soil mix. Never fill containers with regular garden soil. Garden soil is too heavy, it compacts, holds too much water, and prevents roots from breathing. Instead, use a lightweight container mix. 60% quality potting soil, 30% perlite for drainage, 10% compost for nutrients. This mixture creates the perfect environment for fruit trees. Your tree roots stay oxygenated, healthy, and productive. And now that your buckets are ready, let's talk about the fruit trees that thrive in this system. Number 7. The indestructible pomegranate. Pomegranates are one of the toughest fruit trees on the planet. They handle heat, they handle drought, and they actually adapt extremely well to containers. Dwarf varieties like Nana or State Fair are perfect for bucket orchards. These trees naturally stay compact and bushy. A mature container pomegranate can produce 15 to 30 fruits per year. That might not sound like much, but at grocery store prices, that's easily $70 or more worth of fruit. Another advantage is resilience. Forget to water for a few days? Pomegranates usually forgive you. Their deep roots and hardy nature make them ideal for beginners. And when the tree blooms, it produces beautiful, bright red flowers that look incredible on patios and balconies. Number 6. The Chicago hardy fig. If there is one fruit tree that absolutely loves containers, it's the fig tree. Figs actually prefer being slightly root-bound. That means their roots enjoy the confined space of a pot. Varieties like Chicago Hardy and Petite Negra are famous for producing heavy harvests in small containers. And here's the flavor secret most gardeners don't know. During the fruiting stage, allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. This mild stress causes the tree to concentrate sugars in the fruit. The result? Figs that taste like pure honey and jam. One healthy container fig tree can produce 80 to 100 fruits per season. That's a massive return for such a small space. Number 5. Columnar apples. Columnar apples look like something from a science fiction movie. Instead of spreading wide branches like normal apple trees, they grow straight upward like a narrow pillar. Varieties like North Pole or Golden Sentinel stay about 2 feet wide but can reach 8 to 10 feet tall. This means you can place several of them in a row like living columns, even on a balcony. And the amazing part? They still produce full-sized apples. With proper care, one columnar apple tree can produce 30 to 50 apples per year. Number 4. Dwarf peaches. Peaches are famous for their incredible flavor when picked fresh, but many gardeners think peach trees require huge orchards. That's not true. Dwarf varieties like Bonanza or El Dorado stay around 5 to 6 feet tall, perfect for container growing. There's one trick that makes all the difference. When baby peaches appear, remove about half of them. This process is called fruit thinning. It sounds strange, but it allows the tree to focus its energy on fewer fruits. The result? Bigger, sweeter peaches. Number 3. Meyer lemon. Meyer lemons are one of the most rewarding fruit trees you can grow. They're ever-bearing. This means the tree can hold flowers, green fruit, and ripe lemons all at the same time. In other words, it's like having a grocery store growing on your patio. A healthy Meyer lemon tree can produce 50 to 100 lemons per year, and when it blooms, the scent of the blossoms fills the entire area with an incredible citrus fragrance. Number 2. Blueberry bushes. Blueberries are one of the easiest fruits to grow in containers. Why? Because containers allow you to control the soil pH. Blueberries require acidic soil, between 4.5 and 5.5 pH. In a bucket, you simply mix potting soil with peat moss or azalea mix. Varieties like Top Hat or Peach Sorbet stay small and productive. One plant can produce 3 to 5 pounds of berries per year, and fresh blueberries are incredibly expensive in stores, so the plant usually pays for itself in the first harvest. Number 1. The dwarf banana trick. Now for the most exciting plant on our list, the dwarf banana. Varieties like Dwarf Cavendish can produce 50 to 100 bananas in one fruiting cycle. And here's the incredible trick. After the banana stem produces fruit, that stem dies, but the plant sends up new shoots called pups from the base. Each pup can become a brand new banana plant, which means once you start with one plant, you can eventually grow an entire banana grove for free. There is one final step that makes all container orchards successful. Mulch. Add 2 to 3 inches of wood chips or straw on top of your soil. Mulch helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and slowly add nutrients. And it dramatically reduces watering needs. Growing your own fruit doesn't require acres of land. It doesn't require expensive equipment, and it doesn't require years of waiting. With a few simple buckets and the right trees, you can build a high-production mini orchard almost anywhere. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. and comment below which of these fruit trees are you planting first. And if you want to take your garden even further, click the video on your screen now to learn about 15 perennials you plant once and harvest forever. Thanks for watching Harvest Forever. Now go out there and grow something amazing.